2017 bike check. This is my new bike of the year. Might change up a little bit in 2017, who knows, but I'm going to start from the front all the way to the rear. So, on the front we got these nice E-Clat grips. They're signature grips, but you can see the E-Clat print on it. So, the bars, we got We The People Patron bars again. I had these on my old bike. Bars, I've had them for quite a bit now. They're a bit beaten up. Okay, so the stem, this is actually a really good stem. I won this on a giveaway, maybe like the start of the summer. It's a radio bike stem. Really good, so cheers guys for the stem, really good. So forks, the forks I have E-Clat Stevie forks. They're actually so good. The dropouts, they're cast, like they're moulded onto the arms instead of like having dropouts welded on. So they're really good. I've got a E-Clat Bondi V2 rim. That is just nice though. They're like really thick. Just really good to build that. And just riding these rims feels so dialed as well. And on the front hub we got We The People Supreme hub. It is actually really smooth and really lightweight. Just look at that. Hub guard. We The People Supreme hub guard. It's pretty good. It's not that bad. Haven't had any problems with it. It's solid on the wheel. It's not rubbing the spokes like my other hub guards. It's pretty nice. So again on the front, had this peg on my old bike as well. Snafu hex peg. It's just so old and beaten up and grinded. I do need to change the peg eventually because I've actually grinded so much. This plate here is actually coming off from the peg, so you can actually turn it and that will actually snap eventually, and I'm not looking forward to it. Frame, a lot of people ask me about this frame. So it used to be purple, like same as this sprocket, and I just rolled it down to a silver, sprayed it with clear coat, polished it, and the frame is a Mankind Justice frame. It's a really lightweight. It is actually really lightweight, and I think it's a flat lamb frame, but it's safe as fuck. And they're going to do the seat. So, Vandals, this is a Vandal seat. I'm not really impressed with this vandals parts really, because I've had them break on me, snap on me. Cranks, we got GT cranks. They're those ones with the pinch bolt. I always break pinch bolt cranks. I'm not good with it. Pedals, BSD Safari Reed Start pedals. He is actually a pretty nice rider, good. So these pedals are good. But yeah, the pedals were they felt like sandpaper when I first got them. They were grippy. They still are to this day, and I've grinded down this side so bad, and they're still going strong. Sprocket. The Vocal Ecliptic sprocket, I had that on my old bike as well. It's not bent, and I've smacked it so hard a lot of times, and that is a good sprocket. I might get it in chrome, I might get a bash guard, who knows. But yeah. So the chain is, nah. My chain's gonna snap. I just spotted like a link. So I broke my chain. Chain is just a standard YBN half link. It's got no grease on it, and it's just so back we have a BSD Chris Kyle unit peg. So good. I'm gonna get 4 of these eventually. So yeah. Hub guard, I've got the People Helix hub guard. It's really smooth and slippy when you grind. It's so good. And the hub on the back with the People Helix free coaster is a free coaster. So smooth. It's solid. Tyres, bit FAF in the back. I had that on my old bike too. Front tyre as well is a Vandals tyre. I like these tyres. They're actually really good, really squeaky though. And there's a hole there where someone tried to stab it. I think I can see the inner tube. But yeah, that really pissed me off. And it's so cold right now, and that's my bike check. So I hope you like it. And here's some clips. This is mental. Should we ride down here? Nice. Right, let's put the stuff in the bag.
Got that. If I was